So the bathroom right as you walk in. A nice big soaking tub. Love that. With a nice rain head shower. It smells so good in here. Love it. Very modern. And then the closet right off. Look, they got robes, luggage, ironing board, stuff for tea and coffee, biscuits, and then Nespresso, because I got an espresso machine, safe, and looks like a mini fridge. So close that. Full-size mirror to check the fit. And then you come in here, got entertainment center and like a little workstation desk, a living room area with a nice couch. I can't wait to look at the view. I love this. And then our bed, they put a pillow that says happy anniversary. I love that. And then look at this art. These actresses, I've seen them before, but their names are escaping me. If you know these actresses' names, leave them in the comments. I've seen them and I know who they are, but their names are escaping me. And then there's a TV in the room. Now let's check out the view that we have at the London Waldorf. Oh, and it's got French doors that, did they close? They do. So privacy. Oh, wow. I mean, it's London, so. Oh, we've got a kind of a view of the London Eye and the top of Big Ben. Big Ben is right there. At the tip of my finger right there. That is Big Ben. And you can see the London Eye, which is the Ferris wheel. Wow. London, we have made it. Let's see. I don't think we can see anything out of these windows. Yeah, I don't think you can open these. Oh, you can! Oh my goodness. Oh, but I don't think you can open them. Unless... Oh wait. No, I don't think you can. But maybe just... No, we can. Oh my god. Fresh air. Oh my goodness. Wow. So this is the junior suite in the Waldorf London location in central London, actually in Aldwych. I hope I pronounced that right. Let me know down in the comments if I butchered that. But so this is our room. This is our junior suite at the Waldorf Hilton the Hilton Waldorf in London. Let me know if you've stayed here before. This will be now our third Waldorf that we've stayed at. We've stayed at the Orlando as well as the Las Vegas. I had to think about that for a second. We've stayed at the Las Vegas Waldorf location and the Orlando location. I'll link down in the description my Las Vegas videos, so if you haven't seen those, you can check those out. So yeah, let me know if you've stayed at this one and if you like it. I love Waldorfs just because the service is just so amazing. And yeah, so we're going to a show tonight, so I'll take you along with me for that. Y'all, look at this ballroom at the Waldorf in London. This is like something out of a movie. Actually, it probably is something out of a movie. But they've got these poster boards here of what some of the history is. This is from 1889. The site on the northern rim of Aldwych had been reserved for the hotel that would be constructed between two new theaters, the Waldorf and Aldwych. Edward Sanders entered into partnership with the accountant Thomas Wilde and hired Alexander Marshall Mackenzie. And then this is it, the ballroom or this room as a ballroom is a picture of it. Yeah. So there's the history for it. You can pause there to kind of read it. But yeah, this is gorgeous. I'll let you pause there as well to read that one. Yeah, gorgeous. Finally made it to Trafalgar Square, y'all.